a very important one-hour presentation.
Hi, Suhana. And hi, Sai Samantha.
This year on 15 August, India celebrates 8 years of freedom from British colonial rule and rejoice the liberty attained as Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav 2004.
Today, we come together not just as individuals, but as a united force, proud to be a part of the world's largest democracy. This year is especially significant for us as we celebrate the silver jubilee of our school. As we gather to honor the spirit of freedom and mark 25 years of excellence in the education, let's remember the sacrifices that made our independence possible and cherish the precious gift of liberty. Let the spirit of patriotism and unity guide us as we navigate through the festives and reflections on this significant day.
Esteemed Chief Guest Shri Dr. Balram Mishra, retired Professor Economics Bhadra, an HOD and researcher in economics. Honorable Principal Sister Shema, respected school manager and Sister Arpita, loving teachers and dear friends, a very warm welcome to this auspicious occasion as we gather here to celebrate the 78th independence of our nation. Our celebrations commence with the uncurling of our national flag, a symbol that embodies the spirit of unity, diversity and freedom.
I request our esteemed Chief Guest Shri Dr. Balram Mishra and Honorable Principal Reverend Sister Shama to kindly hoist the tricolor as we pay homage to the sacrifices made by our brave hearts and reaffirm our commitment to upholding the values enshrined in our Constitution.
School, nation.
Prayer is the longing of the soul. It is both an incredible expression of faith and humble gesture of surrender towards the divine presence through the mesmerizing dance performance.
Our Carmel dancers will express the vibrant hues of our culture and the spirit of unity through their graceful movements.
Countless sacrifices made by our children. It is with great pride and joy that we welcome our esteemed Chief Guest, Sri Dr.
तू ही तो
pioneering movements and devotion.
To welcome a guest is to welcome the world. Today, as we rejoice in the glory of our nation, importance of today's gathering extends to both our distinguished guests and each one of you in the audience. Distinguished guests and your presence here today underscores our gathering meaning.
Now it's my pleasure to invite respected Dipti Rekha ma'am to the stage to give a extend warm and cordial welcome to everyone present here. She has always been a source of inspiration and dedication to our school community. Please join me giving a warm welcome to our dear ma'am.
To mankind. Good morning to everyone gathered here. Esteemed Chief Guest, Shri Dr. Balaram Mishra, Honorable Principal Reverend Sister Shema, respected School Manager Reverend Sister Arpita, dear colleagues and my loving students. Today I feel privileged to stand before you to welcome you all as we celebrate our nation's 78th Independence Day. We come together to celebrate the spirit of freedom and remember countless sacrifices made by our freedom fighters. It is with great pride and joy that we welcome our esteemed Chief Guest, Sri Dr. Balaram Mishra, retired Professor Economics, Bhittar College, on this momentous occasion of Independence Day. Dear Sir, your remarkable achievements and unwavering dedication have not inspired inspired us all, but also set a shining example for future generations. Your presence adds a special significance to our celebrations and reminds us of the values of courage, sacrifice, and patriotism that defines our great nation. On behalf of Carmel family, I extend you, dear sir, a warm and cordial welcome. Welcome. At this juncture, I appreciate the presence of our respected school manager, Bursar, Reverend Sister Arpita. Our leadership and guidance have been instrumental in shaping the values and success of our institution. I extend you, dear sister, a hearty welcome. To our dedicated colleagues, whose hard work and enthusiasm contribute significantly to the vibrant spirit of our school. Your commitment to excellence and support for our students helps to create a thriving educational environment. I extend you all a warm welcome. Finally, to our wonderful students, you are the heart of our school and your energy, creativity and enthusiasm makes every day special. Your participation in today's celebration is a testament to the bright future ahead and the values we cherish as a nation. As we celebrate this significant day, let us remember the sacrifices of our freedom fighters who fought bravely to secure our independence. It is a day to reflect on our past, appreciate our present, and dream of a brighter future. Let us enjoy each moment and remember that our freedom comes with the responsibility to contribute positively to our nation. Once again, I welcome you all to this celebration. Let's make it a memorable one. Thank you, Jai Hind.
Uplifting welcome speech. Let's the melody of our welcome song be gentle embrace, inviting us to a celebration of togetherness and joy. To infuse our hearts with a sense of pride and patriotism, we have a story to perform lined up. Now it's my pleasure to invite the Carmel Corps to the stage to present. The Corps resonates through our souls and remind us the countless sacrifices made by those who fought for the freedom which is today. Patriotism is the unwavering love and devotion to one's country. It is the spirit that unties a nation, fostering a space of belonging and collective responsibility for its progress and well-being. Now we are about to experience a special music treat. Our talented juniors and seniors have come together with a melody of patriotic song. Let's join with their enthusiasm and enjoy the heartfelt performance.
Our blessings, your presence, bright day. Our spirits so high, we're so happy to welcome you. Welcome, 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 welcome. ओ देश मेरे तेरी शान पे सदके कोई धन है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के, तेरी धूप से रोशन, तेरी हवा पे जिंदा, तू बाग है मेरा, मैं तेरा परिंदा। आंचल तेरा रहे माँ, रंग बिरंगा ऊंचा आसमां से ओ तेरा तिरंगा, जीने की इजाजत दे दे या तुम्हें इजाजत दे दे, मंजूर हमें जो भी तू चुने। रेशम का हो मधुशाला या धर्म सिपाही वाला, ओढ़ेंगे हम जो भी तू चुने। ओ देश मेरे तेरी शान पे सदके कोई धन है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के, तेरी धूप से रोशन, तेरी हवा पे जिंदा, तू बाग है मेरा, मैं तेरा परिंदा। तारों पे सरवार दिए, अंगारों में जिस्म जलाया है, तब जाके कहीं हमने सर पे ये केसरी रंग सजाया है। वाह वाह मैं गया जहाँ भी बस तेरी याद थी, जो मेरे साथ थी मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती। सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत, प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही। माँ तुझे सलाम, तुझे सलाम, अम्मा तुझे सलाम, तुझे सलाम। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ भी याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ भी याद रहे तू। ए वतन मेरे वतन, ए वतन मेरे वतन, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से। पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरे बुनियाद रहे तू, पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू। ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ भी याद रहे तू। ए वतन मेरे वतन, ए वतन मेरे वतन, तुझ पे कोई गम की आज आन नहीं दूँ, तुझ पे कोई गम की आज आन नहीं दूँ। कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे साथ रहे तू, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे not just about loving your country, it's about making it better. Patriotism is the deep love and pride for one's country, guiding us to honor our heritage and strive for a brighter future together. Now, it is with a great excitement that I invite our talented Carmel dramatic team to the live the spirit and the values of our nation. Please welcome them with a big round of applause.
देश की सेवा करनी है।
बेटा, मैंने मेरे पिताजी को तो खो दिया, अब मैं तुझे नहीं खो सकती।
माँ, जैसे आप मेरी माँ हो, वैसे धरती माँ भी मेरी माँ है और देश की सेवा करना मेरा फर्ज है। आबाद रहे तू, आबाद रहे तू, आबाद रहे तू। संदेशे आते हैं, हमें तड़पाते हैं, कुछ चिट्ठी आती है, वो पूछे जाती है कि घर कब आओगे, कि घर कब आओगे, लिखो कब आओगे, कि तुम बिन ये घर सोना सोना है। ऐ गुजरने वाली हवा बता, मेरा इतना काम करेगी क्या, मेरे गाँव जा, मेरे दोस्तों को सलाम दे। वही थोड़ी दूर है घर मेरा, मेरे घर में है मेरी बूढ़ी माँ, मेरी माँ के पैरों को छू के तू उसे उसके बेटे का नाम दे।
आप लोग की छुट्टी मंजूरी हो चुकी है, आप लोग अपने अपने घर जा सकते हैं।
मैं वापस आऊंगा, मैं वापस आऊंगा, मैं वापस आऊंगा, मैं वापस आऊंगा।
आज पूरा देश क्रोधित है, पूरा देश आक्रोशित है और पूरा देश गुस्से से उबल रहा है।
जम्मू कश्मीर के अवंतीपुरा में आतंकियों ने सीआरपीएफ के काफिले पर हमला किया है।
Tragic day for India. 40 CRPF jawans have been killed in the worst terror attack against security men in Kashmir ever.
ये हमला 2016 में उड़ी में हुए आतंकवादी हमले से भी बड़ा है और इसने पूरे भारत के धैर्य और सब्र को तोड़कर रख दिया।
तलवारों पे सरवार दिए, अंगारों में जिस्म जलाया है, अब जाके कहीं हमने सर पे ये केसरी रंग सजाया है। है मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं, जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द से महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे न रहे। ओ वतना में मेरे वतना में तेरा मेरा प्यार निराला था, कुर्बान हुआ तेरी असमत पे मैं। मैं कितना नसीबों वाला था। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
नया हिंदुस्तान है, हिंदुस्तान भर में घुसेगा भी और मारेगा भी।
न बदले के लिए आपका खून खोल रहा है। कमांडर्स, who are we? इंडियन आर्मी ने ये जंग शुरू नहीं की थी, but we will bloody hell finish it. How's the Josh? How's the Josh? I said, how's the Josh?
हिला दे जंजीरें, बना उनकी शमशीरें, कर हर मैदान फतेह बंदिया, कर हर मैदान फतेह। घायल परिंदा है तू, दिखला दे जिंदा है तू, बाकी है तुझ में हौसला। तेरे जुनू के आगे अंबर पनाहे मांगे, कर डाले तू जो फैसला।
रूठी तकदीरें तो क्या, टूटी शमशीरें तो क्या, टूटी शमशीरों से ही हो। कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह रे बंदिया, हर मैदान फतेह।
कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह रे बंदिया, हर मैदान फतेह।
इक्का तेरा नाम है साजा, हो इक्का तेरा नाम है साजा, मन मेरी आमी पाचा, बस नाम तेरा माँ हो। एक पहचान मेरी तू ही, जिंद जान मेरी तू ही, जहान मेरा माँ।
रंग तेरी रीत का, रंग तेरी प्रीत का, रंग तेरी जीत का ही छाए छाए। कैसे मैं छुपाऊं तेरा एहसास, माए तेरी चुनरिया लहराए। जब तक मुझ में है जरा सी जान, माए तेरी चुनरिया लहराए।
इक्का तेरा नाम है साजा, हो
वंदे मातरम, वंदे।
Thank you, dear sister. We are truly grateful for your time and insights. The dance is a poem of which each movement is a word, each step is meaningful. Today we gather here not just to celebrate, but exalt the spirit of our nation through the captivating language of dance. Our young and talented junior group is ready to dazzle us with their energy and enthusiasm. Let's give a warm round of applause to them.
एक कर्म का कर्ज तो दूसरा अपने धर्म का कर्ज निभाता है। मेरी लाज रखने वाले इन दोनों बेटों को इस धरती माँ और मेरा यानी कि इस मिट्टी का सलाम।
जाने जा जाने मन ये समा ये बहार दिल फिदा जानिसा ऐ वतन जाने जा जाने मन ये समा ये बहार दिल फिदा जानिसा जलवा तेरा जलवा जलवा तेरा जलवा जलवा ओ तेरा जलवा 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 तेरा जलवा जलवा ओ तेरा जलवा 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 तेरा जलवा तौबा मेरी तौबा हम लोगों को समझ सको तो हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिल भर जानी जितना भी तुम समझोगे उतनी होगी हैरानी हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिल भर जानी जितना भी तुम समझोगे उतनी होगी हैरानी अपनी छतरी तुमको दे दे कभी जो बरसे पानी कभी नए पैकेट में बेचे तुमको चीज पुरानी फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी
And patriotism, and it was related to our nation also.
Now it's my honor to invite our distinguished chief guest, Sri Balram Mishra, to grace the stage and share his words of wisdom and inspiration with our young minds on this momentous occasion of Independence Day. The brings of wealth and experience and insight, and we are privileged to hear his thoughts as we celebrate our nation's freedom. Please join me in welcoming to our esteemed chief guest.
I have seen this pole at a distance. Neither formally or informally, I have visited you. It was my pleasure to come over here as a boy and to salute the symbol of Asmita, the great heritage of our national flag, containing the band, indicating a logical conclusion, logical identity to each of the band. I think courage, then it gives you peace and harmony, and it gives you fertility, indestructible power of the soil. These are the three bands representing our national flag. It's my immense pride and privilege too. It was to give my utmost respect to this national flag, the flag of Asmita, the flag of my pride, the flag of everybody's heart. Friends, this was first, not that. The journey was very easy. To prepare the national flag, it took 50 years from 1906. From 1921, Bengali Venkaya finally gave this science, and with the Ashoka Chakra representing Dharma Chakra, with 24 spokes representing the rishis of India with this Swamitra. And you also know, in Sarna, the first slab of the top, representing it, the abacus of it. And there we find the Samaya Chakra of Ashoka, who converted to a human being, not a beast. Therefore, I must say that we have heroes, several heroes, but amidst the tales of thousands of men that crowd the columns of history, few names are shining just like stars in the sky. They are postmodern or post-Gandhian spirit, that is patriotic and free. In the free time we find Bal Gangadhar Tilak, we find Lala Lajpat Rai, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Bipin Paul, all these things we have heard. And once upon a time, the great patriot Lala Lajpat Rai told to the British Empire, you see the time, nature, pattern, and the spirit of patriotism that was once upon a time in India, and we inherit on the basis of our strength and basis of our position. He told, every blow aimed at me is held in the coffin of the British Empire. That is what Lala Lajpat Rai is told. And another man, Gandhi, Nehru, all these people, including Ismaili, including Chandra Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, all these, they belong to two groups. But one thing, ahimsa, the furthest limit of humanity, that the world level, that the things would have been done in a better way without power. So as Tolstoy has told, in India we find that the battle and tussle between brutality and gentleness. And for your fine information, dear students, Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. came over to India in 1959. Prior to that, he told, it is inevitable for the whole world to progress with the ideas of Gandhi. Gandhi is inescapable for peace and harmony, tranquility and humanity. But one thing, we can ignore him at our own cost. Again in 1959 came Dr. Martin Luther King. He told, where is Gandhi in India? Where I do not find. That means violence was too much by that time. So non-violence the farthest limit of humanity, is the only safeguard for the future generation. Mind it, in the geopolitical tension nowadays at present you find, what do you find? Only violence, peace, torture and murder. Our heroes have sacrificed their life to be liberated. We got liberated. Today is the birthday. April 27 is the birthday of India. We got a new birth. And you know, in the birthday, balloon would be there, everything would be there, people would be happy, and Joy Hind would be there, Asmita would be there, everybody would feel proud that I belong to this country, I am a stakeholder of this country. Once upon a time, T.S. Eliot has a tale. Now, as who has written, he has also written. Gandhi pushed the bounds of consciousness and ultimately gave his life. There was, all the time, there was a tussle between imperialism and humanity. On the one hand, Churchill stands for imperialism, Samrajyavad. On the other hand, Gandhi stands for humanism, Manav. Who ultimately did? Now you go to the Parliament Square of United Kingdom, London. You see, front to front, imperialism statue is there, humanism statue is there. Finally, the people wanted to go to Gandhi and wanted to drop that of imperialism. And once upon a time, the statue of imperialism was down to earth. 2015-68, when we built the symbol of humanism, India stands for it. Dear friends, you are all young friends. I shall have to tell certain things. There are three stakeholders here. Teachers are there, parents are there, students are there. With the harmonious square blend of all these three things, you cannot build. And mind it, India is a young India of 63 to 64% young. So without young people, we cannot build a nation. And without old people like me, you cannot build a good nation. So without young people, without the students, we cannot build a nation. Without your teachers, you cannot build a good nation. Mind it. Whenever the salt is applied to a piece of, to some amount of curry, you do not find the general difference. But absence of salt makes a difference. Similar. The students, those who are reading here, they will rule over the country. They will take care of the country in future. Therefore, mind it, three things. You are to take an oath today that I must be little bit kinder, I must be little bit kinder, so far as occasion human. So, pity, justice, honesty, transparency, accountability are the three things. You know the corruption people, just like a wildfire moving here and there, that's everybody. This is India, no? We have to take an oath that everybody will tell the truth. Everybody will come forward, gather here to tell, okay, Jai Hind, at the same time, I must tell, I do not tell lie, because my voice, my individual voice is less important than the voice of the country. It is better to light a candle instead of burning in the darkness. There will be darkness everywhere. But you are better to light a candle, give light to everybody. Light should be looked upon, not as a brief candle, my dear students. It's not a brief candle, it is a splendid torch. And mind it, you are a generation here. You will burn the torch brighter before it is given to the younger generation, younger boys and girls, your friends. Therefore, honesty is the only legacy. As riches, there is no legacy as riches, honesty. Mind it, another thing I must tell, liberty. Everybody tells that I have liberty. You cannot enjoy your rights properly unless you do your duties fully. First, do your duties fully. Therefore, Liberty is not a personal affair, but a social contract and accommodation of interest. You have to accommodate these circumstances. Siddhartha finally stop worrying and start asking dear friends. Time has not gone. I did. Without young people, I cannot build a nation. And truthfulness, pity, justness, these are the words you are to take. You are to take. You are to take. I did. Last but not the least, a clay pot containing honey is more important than a golden pot containing poison. But if the young generation would be a poisonous container, then the whole nation will go to dust. Therefore, today you are reading, you are small. Tomorrow you will come to the helm of affairs. So take an oath. Everybody would be corrupt-free. Everybody must tell certain things which is based on ethical standard and moral conduct, that is truthfulness. Do things, then our country will rise to a stage too above to any height. We can go to any, it will get out. Dear friends, working together is the beginning. This is your beginning stage. Moving together is progress. And working together is success. Work together with unanimity, with harmony, with peace and culture, everything will go right. छात्र माने छात्री माने समस्त धन्यवाद दूची एथि पाई समस्त मोर गोटे कथा समस्त सत्य कह समस्त सत्य कह एवं गोटे जिनस कहबो जीवन में भ्रष्टाचार करिवो नाही मिछ कहबो नाही काहू दुर्पिसा खाइबो नाही करप्शन करिवोनी बा दुर्नीतिग्रस्त हब नाही आउ सब बेले मन रखिबो सब बेले मन रखिबो लेट अस स्टॉप वरिंग स्टार्ट चाहे जा हबो Till सबले खोजो what is truth and what is not. I remember Socrates who is told, pity and justness are virtues. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
For Reverend Sister Shama to present a memento to our chief guest as a token of appreciation and gratitude.
Patriotism and left us feeling proud and inspired. Winning is not everything, but wanting to win is. As we celebrate the talents and adorn our nation, it is our privilege to acknowledge and honor those students who have excelled in various fields.
I request our esteemed chief guest, Sri Dr. Balram Mishra and Honorable Principal Reverend Sister Shama to kindly come forward to do the honor as we recognize and felicitate the achievers who have brought laurels to our school. May I kindly invite Farzana Madam on the stage to proceed with calling out the names of our deserving winners.
August. Next we have Debasmita Dikshit. She won 3rd prize in chess tournament under 17 girls at St. Joseph's Convent.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sister. To watch us dance is to hear our hearts speak. As we are at the end of our program, we want to express our last dance performance. So may I please welcome our senior dance group to come on the stage. Just give them a huge
applause.
आश्क में आईना तहजीब का रंग सुनहरा गंगा जमुना मेरी आंखें मैं नए भारत का चेहरा मैं कल भी था मैं आज भी हूँ मैं नवयुग का अंदाज भी हूँ सारी दुनिया का घर मुझ में इस मिट्टी का आदर मुझ में मैं देशभक्त भी कर रहा हूँ मैं नए भारत का चेहरा मैं नए भारत का चेहरा
से श्यामला वंदे मातरम।
मंगल गावे मनुप जी फुलवारी रे, साजे गाजे बाजे गूंजे सपनोरी रे दिलकारी रे। मनुप वन अभिनंदन करता छाई धगा भरियारी रे, शक्कर भागो झांकी झागो हुई जश्न की रे तैयारी रे। मन हर्षा धन बरसा धन सुखवारो जी रे,
आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो।
Keep shining and spreading the love for our country. Gratitude is the fairest prism which springs from the soul. In expression, our heartfelt thanks, we encourage the collective support and that made this event possible. Now to formally conclude today's event, I would like to invite Ms. Vidisha Malik, a talented and dedicated student, to deliver the vote of thanks.
But the parent of all other virtues. Good morning to everyone. Today, as we celebrate the 78th Independence Day, we gather to commemorate the sacrifices of our brave freedom fighters who fought tirelessly for our nation's liberty and to rejoice in the freedom we enjoy. We honor their memories and legacies and pledge to uphold the values of democracy, equality, and justice. To begin with, let us collectively express our gratitude to the Almighty God, whose benevolence has guided us during this whole program. His divine presence has been the foundation of our journey, and today we stand united in His blessing. A profound appreciation goes to our esteemed chief guest, Dr. Balram Mishra, retired Senior Associate Professor, HOD and Researcher in Economics. Your presence has made this occasion even more special and we deeply appreciate your support. We hope to continue receiving your guidance and blessings in the future as well. Your words of wisdom and encouragement have inspired us all and we are truly grateful for the time you have taken out of your busy schedule to be with us. On behalf of Carmel School Bhadra, I extend my heartfelt thanks to you, dear sir, for gracing us with your presence today. A distinct acknowledgement goes to our principal, Reverend Sister Shema, whose leadership has propelled Carmel School to greater heights. Your dedication to shaping young minds is truly commendable. The words of Brian's become redundant on this occasion. Quite formally, I extend to you, dear sister, our heartfelt thanks. Our earnest gratitude also goes to the school manager, Bursar, Reverend Sister Arpita, for her meticulous guidance that ensures the smooth functioning of our institution. We thank you, dear sister, from the bottom of our hearts. A standing ovation for our dedicated teachers, the mentors behind the curtains, whose tireless efforts and unwavering support have been instrumental in the successful accomplishment of today's remarkable celebration. Thank you, dear teachers, for your hard work. And finally, to the star of this celebration, our talented participants, your enthusiasm and commitment have added all the special glow to this event, setting the stage on fire. A big thank you for your outstanding efforts and for bringing the spirit of Independence Day alive. I avail this opportunity to sincerely thank all of you present here whose wholehearted cooperation and support made this program a reality. Thank you once again to each and everyone present here for being an integral part of this 78th Independence Day. Jai Hind.